All right, guys.
Again?
Y'all,
You mess that up.
you get me laughing, and I can't help it.
But
But anyways, we're all tarped up because we got some rains coming.
We got a monsoon coming.
Goddamn rain's coming. Have y'all seen the size of those clouds? Damn, they're huge. But no, we're all geared up for this
so we got 2 games
Joe's
here
idea.
for the eggs, and then we're gonna do animal sounds real quick, and then do Jeopardy
the eggs.
egg roulette.
Yes.
So
Yeah, Jeopardy egg roulette.
Tribute to Alex
Yeah.
Trebek.
yeah. All right. So you ready for the first sound?
Yeah, let's go.
You know what? I didn't say.
Oh yeah, we got to play that sound too. That one thing.
Yeah, don't play
Don't
the
play.
answer this time.
Oh no, I
No,
edited the answers out.
See what people hear. So we got another thing.
Oh,
for
you gonna do
y'all.
that first? We
Yeah,
can
let's do
first.
that. We do that first. Let everybody hear that one.
Okay.
And y'all
Okay.
comment in the videos and let us know what you heard.
All right. Here's I think this is the first one of that one.
Laurel, 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 laurel,
So what do you hear?
laurel,
I'm hearing Laurel.
I hear-
Laurel.
laurel,
I hear Laurel. You heard Laurel that
I
time?
heard Laurel.
You heard Laurel? Okay, so on the video, like I said, make a comment. You could either hear Laurel or Yammy. You heard Yammy? Listen, my wife heard Yammy or whatever. Yanny.
I heard Laurel, so I don't know what y'all talking about.
I heard Laurel.
That's all I've heard. But we're
I've
just
heard-
curious in the comments. Let us know what you heard. If you heard
Laurel or
Yanny. Or Yammy or whatever it is.
Let me see how I get the sound.
I got an itch.
Whatever on that one. Oops, I think it's marked a whole bunch. All right, so let me go to the sound. You ready for the sounds? First
Yep.
one?
Look like we're getting ready to shoot a porn video.
Your midget one.
All this plastic.
All right, here we go. Ready? First one.
All right.
I'm going geese.
A geese?
You all right, Geese? That was good.
Yes.
Correct. Geese. I don't have a correct sound on this one, so.
It's okay. We know we're correct.
All right, ready for the next one?
Yep.
A porn movie.
I'm going with the baby cow.
Baby cow.
Baby
Calf.
cow.
What are you going with?
They do make some weird noises. And with him, I'm gonna go with baby
He was
cow.
for sure. Yeah, so.
I'm going with baby cat because
Baby cow?
Play
he's
the
all about.
sound again.
All right.
Kind of sounds like a seal or some shit.
Dying seal.
But yeah, I'm gonna go with baby.
I'm going calf.
Candace, what are you going with?
Damn, I don't know.
Play it again. A calf, cow,
I'm gonna go with cow.
cow, full cow. You going
Yeah.
calves? All y'all were wrong. It was giraffe. It was a giraffe.
Really?
Yeah. That's a giraffe.
Wow.
It's weird, I know, but it's a giraffe sound.
Mm.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Yep. Jaguar.
Oh, that's a good guess. Jaguar. I can play it again for you. There you go.
Yeah, do it again. Mm.
I'm going with a water buffalo.
I was
Very specific.
thinking something like that or bison
Water
or
buffalo. You gonna
something,
change your
but
answer?
No, I'm gonna stay with Jaguar.
Jaguar, water buffalo.
It's had a little
Candace?
bit growl to it.
She's
A
like,
fucking
"Oh."
herring. I'm going with a herring.
Yeah.
A seagull.
Laurel.
No idea.
Yeah, I'll go with Laurel on this one.
Laurel.
I can play again for you. It sounds like someone's giving birth. It's not that. Yeah.
Sounds like a fucking pervert.
So,
I'm still
I'm
staying with
gonna
Jaguar.
say
Jaguar, water buffalo.
water buffalo.
Water buffalo.
You going water buffalo too?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all wrong on that one. Kangaroo.
What the fuck?
Really?
Yeah, it was a kangaroo. Yeah.
That was a kangaroo?
That was a kangaroo. Yeah,
Holy
surprisingly.
shit.
I guess when it's mad, I guess.
Fucker
Man.
sound pissed.
All right, ready for the next one?
Not really. Frog.
It's a
You,
frog.
you'll be surprised at this one.
Do it again.
It's a bird, probably.
I'm gonna say a warthog.
Warthog,
Badger.
badger. Quinn's thinking.
Shit, I don't know, man. I was thinking it's probably gonna be some kind of freaking bird.
I wouldn't do like a Pacific bird. Like I wouldn't do that sound. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, I'm not like that. It's a general
Oh, general
animal
thing.
sound. Like yeah,
Just a pig.
just a pig.
Yeah.
Y'all wrong again.
God damn it.
You won't believe what it is.
No.
Koala bear. That's
What
what it
the
is.
fuck?
It is a koala bear. That's the sound of a koala bear.
He's doing this shit because we talked about eating kangaroos
Yeah.
and koala bears last week.
That's why I did it. All right, ready? You should get this one though.
That's fucking Bigfoot.
A chupacabra. A chupacabra. Nah, a monkey. Orangutan or something.
Monkey, do you want to hear it again?
Chimpanzee or
again.
something.
Play it again. I'm gonna say gorilla.
Gorilla,
Yeah.
I'm gonna say like a chimpanzee or something.
That sounds like
chimpanzee,
that,
monkey.
that sounds like the freaking dodo bird off the movie Up.
That's what I was thinking.
Is it really?
Uh,
I thought this would be an easy one for y'all.
It does, dude. What was his name? What do you name it?
What is it?
I'm gonna say chimpanzee. She said.
Kevin.
Gorilla.
Kevin.
Gorilla.
You can just say Kevin.
Yeah, to say it's a Kevin. It's a Kevin.
I don't know.
He's thinking. I thought this would be an easy one for him.
He's lost. He's lost in train of thought.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see where she's going with the gorilla.
Kind of looking like she did when she was trying to figure out about the midgets or the
Yeah.
7 foot tall people.
There you go.
I don't understand that part.
I kind of want to say chimpanzee.
That's what he said. But that second sound's throwing her
throws me
off.
off.
That one, I don't know what the hell that is.
The
Orangutan?
chirping is what's getting me.
Is that a croc?
Is it a chirp or is it not a chirp?
I don't know.
I'll give you a hint. It's not a bird. So
It's not Kevin.
yeah, it's not a Kevin.
I'm gonna change mine to orangutan.
Orangutan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm chimpanzee.
Bigfoot.
Velociraptor?
You know the scary thing about what he's makes me think of the comment is like we made up those sounds because no one was alive back then to record those
Yeah.
dinosaur
Yeah.
sounns. So
So how the hell did they
yeah,
come
how
up
do we
with the
know
sounds?
in Jurassic Park? How do you
We
know
don't know what they
sounds?
sounded like.
No, so it could be. What would you say?
Chimp, chimpanzee. She said
Orangutan.
orangutan.
Orangutan. All y'all wrong. It's a hyena. It's a laugh.
What the f-
Yeah,
Really?
that's a hyena laugh. I thought first.
I can hear it now, yeah.
Yeah, it's a laugh. Yeah. I don't know what that
That
is.
last one, though.
I-
I swear that's Kevin.
I'm telling you.
You said it,
I'm
dude.
telling
I
you.
swear, dude.
all right, ready for the next one?
Not really. A buffalo.
I'll give you a hint. It's a big animal. It's not a small one. It's a big one.
Which one do you want to go out of?
Water buffalo.
No.
Water buffalo.
Hippopotamus.
Hippo. Water buffalo. Is that what you got?
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Play
Hippo.
it again. I'm gonna say a hippo too.
Hang on.
You
Can I change?
Yeah, before I say it, yeah.
Rhino.
Rhino,
Oh,
hippo, and what was yours? Oh, buffalo, right?
Buffalo.
Candace got it right. It was hippo.
Damn it! You fool! You should have stayed.
I should have kept it. Good job. I should have kept it.
You should have stayed with it. That was a good one. I started thinking. I was like, it's probably could be.
Yeah, it could be. All right, ready for next one? You should get this one.
Mountain lion. Do it again.
Sounds like it's angry.
Jaguar.
She going jaguar, mountain lion.
Mountain lion's got like a
This one says deep. It's a deep one.
jaguar. Yeah.
Sounds like it's
Jaguar,
mad or pissed
puma
off.
What was
something.
what the
I think
hell?
it's a
What,
lion.
no, what was the damn cat in Jungle Book? What was he? A
A
panther.
panther.
Panther,
It's a mountain
jaguar,
lion.
mountain lion.
Same thing. Panther, mountain lion.
Is that what y'all guesses are?
I'm gonna go jaguar.
Jaguar.
Panther.
Panther. What was yours?
Jaguar.
Jaguar. All you're wrong is a wolf.
Oh.
Made it hard on you there.
Wow.
Are you ready for
You didn't
this
do
one?
the howl, Patrick.
Yeah, I didn't do the how. They didn't do the how. Sorry, I would have gave it away. All right, this one it's kind of a hard one. It is.
Kind of a hard one.
I'll give you a
I'm
hint,
glad we
though.
ain't doing eggs of this shit.
No, because you would all be losing. All right,
Be
ready
covered
for
in
it?
egg juice.
I got this. I got this.
It's some kind of bird. You can
I
tell.
got this.
Flamingo.
Nope.
flamingo.
That's what I'm saying.
Flamingos
Flamingo.
they got a weird.
Yeah, that's a weird.
Theirs is like a
He said Joe said peacock. She's saying flamingo.
grouse.
It sounds like a peacock.
I'm going with
changing mine to
peacock.
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 Yeah.
Peacock. All you're right is
Yes.
peacock. Yes.
Yeah, because they got a fucked up yell too.
All right, ready for the next one?
Okay. Ow.
Sure.
I'm gonna say
It's a bird. I will give you. It's some kind of bird.
Ow.
It's a bird?
He's saying owl.
I'm gonna say ow.
I'm gonna say owl.
I'll go with L.
All you're wrong is pigeon.
Oh fuck.
It's a pigeon.
Yeah. I hear it now.
Yeah, when you hear it. All right, ready for your next one? It's a big animal. Damn,
I know that sound.
you should. I
Yes.
played it.
Bull.
No. I'm going with the bear.
Bear. Quinn, what do you say? It's a huge animal. It's not a small animal.
We'll go with a rhino.
Rhino again. Rhino.
A cow.
No, it's that. All you're wrong is a moose.
Fuck.
You were close. It's a moose. They make funny noises.
I could hear the bear though. I guess they
okay,
kind
now.
of made me
All right, this one's a small one.
small in them.
It's nocturnal too.
Bat.
Bat. Nocturnal small animal.
Raccoon.
Raccoon. Bat. Raccoon.
Raccoon.
Oh, you're wrong. Skunk.
Fuck.
It doesn't. That's what they sound
They're
like.
nocturnal?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nocturnal.
Pepe Le Pew.
All right, ready? This is the big one again.
Harley Davidson.
It's a very
What the fuck?
deep one.
Gorilla.
Gorilla, Joe.
Silverback. Male gorilla. I don't know. Everybody's got the look of confusion on their face.
It's a big animal. It's not small. It's a big animal.
Well, gorilla's pretty fucking big.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Is it
saying.
bigger
So-
than a gorilla?
Can't say because you're good at
Damn
festive.
you. So I'm already wrong. So I'm going to kick the gorilla. So no on the gorilla. I already know it's bigger than a gorilla. Gorilla's
I'm
pretty
gonna say
goddamn big.
orangutan again.
It's a huge orangutan's not.
They're not as big as a gorilla.
It's
I
bigger
don't
than a
think.
gorilla.
One more time.
It's bigger than a gorilla. They're in the zoo.
Rhino.
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 Rhino. One more time there. Oh, he's changing from Rhino.
Sound like a zebra or
Sounds
something.
like something dying at the end there.
Rhino.
Rhino,
Give it
Rhino.
up.
I'm going with the elephant.
Joe was right. It is elephant. Joe was right. It was a
It's a
huge-
goddamn Elfie.
All right.
The fuck? Elk.
Donkey.
Ooh, donkey. Wait, that was the moose sound. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Mule.
Donkey, mule.
Donkey.
What is that?
It's a donkey.
Donkey. Camel. So, it's a camel.
Donkey.
Okay. I got two more. Two more. Ready? This is a small one.
Fuck is that? Chihuahua?
Chihuahua would be a dog. You would hear it.
Small.
Possum.
Possum? That's
Possum.
what I was thinking.
Possum. Possum.
Sound like it's out of fucking breath. Sound like me after I run up the
It's a,
stairs.
it's a small. Yeah, it's a
A duck.
duck.
Yeah.
And y'all said, what was it?
Possum.
Possum.
Oh, y'all wrong. It's rabbit. It was a rabbit.
What?
What the fuck kind of rabbit is that,
It's
Patrick?
a, it's a sniffing. It's just like rabbit. Just you can. It's just this nose is going up, short nose. That's why I have the funny
Cadbury
nose.
egg.
Yeah, the Cadbury egg. It's like that. All right, ready for your last one? It's another small animal.
Penguin.
Yeah,
Penguin.
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 Yeah, I'm gonna go penguin too.
I don't even know this is the right sound to it. I'm looking at it now. I don't think it's the right sound I put to this
That's
one.
a seal. I'm going with the seal.
Damn. Now he says
I
that.
think I labeled this wrong actually, so he might be right on that.
I think that's a seal.
I'll give it.
What'd you label it as?
I labeled it as a guiney pig, but I don't think it's that. I
That
think
ain't no
it's-
guinea pig.
Yeah, I think I labeled that one wrong. I think it's a seal. I think it was the. I think because the seal was next to it.
Oh, no. That's a
That
guinea
guinea pig?
pig.
Is it really?
'Cause we had one.
And that sounded like that?
They make some weird fucking noises. That real high
Man.
screech and shit.
Maybe it is labeled right then. I don't
But
remember.
we did. I didn't get it right because I said, "What the fuck?" We said penguin.
Yeah,
It could be a seal, but I'm pretty sure you might have labeled it right.
I might have labeled it right. I might have labeled it wrong. Give you all that one. So good. And that was all of them. So,
We got one right. Yay!
so now